Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making guacamole. It's one of the best ways to combine avocado and a few of the vegetables that we have in our kitchen. So as you can see, I'm preparing 1 onion. That's what you are going to be using to prepare a guacamole of 4 avocados. We are going to use 2 tomatoes. We are also going to use some juice from lime. So I've washed 2 limes ready for squeezing the juice so that we can be able to proceed with that. We'll also be having 1 teaspoon of garlic. That is what I have minced, and you can see it there. It's ready to be used. So this is very easy, guys. It's just combining this stuff and preparing them in a way, but keep it here because there's a way to even combine how otherwise you'll end up having your onions too bitter or your onions too sharp in the guacamole, and people may not enjoy it, or else you may have it saltless, you may have it just flat. Please just follow through the recipe, then you will be able to do good, to do the best. So what I'm doing here, I am putting the onions in a separate small bowl so that I can be able to squeeze in the juice of the lime and place it inside there so that the onion can reduce in their sharpness, because this is a red onion. It's very sharp in its taste, and if we don't manage it at this point, it will be overpowering in our guacamole. So to prepare a lime or a lemon, that's what you do. You roll it on the surface, prepare it so that it can be able to squeeze out the juice fast enough, and then let us proceed. Keep it here. Thank you for coming back to this channel. Thank you for coming. If you're new, please consider subscribing, consider inviting your friend, like this video, share it with your friends so that you can always get more of this content coming your way.
That are gentle, working and able, feet in the wine press, build up a township, opals and diamonds, beauty for ashes, silk in the sunshine, oil of gladness, tower of justice, pillar of marble, soft as a sunset, wings of an eagle, magic in the ether, marrow in my bones, chariot of fire, stag in the meadow. Make me a vessel, juniper garden, my holy mountain, emancipation, songs of redemption, spice in the temple, mighty and faithful, tides of the ocean.
have mixed up everything. As you can see, we have such a nice blend of these ingredients. Our guacamole is almost ready. So I'm going to go in and add the garlic that we had crushed before. So we've added the garlic. It will taste so nice. It will give it such a balance. After I tasted this guacamole, okay, it was the first time I was putting in garlic inside because I've always thought it would be too loud, but it was nice. It was tasting very nice, balancing everything, and it was not even outstanding on its own. So I'm going in with some sea salt. Sea salt is always the best for your salads because you don't necessarily need to cook it. So if you can purchase some sea salt for your salads and your dressings, it will be very good for you and very recommendable. I also added black pepper. That is half a teaspoon of that, so that it can give it a good finish and a topping of just some heat into that. So it was very nice. It is delicious. Let me tell you, it's smelling so nice here, and I could not wait to just finish on it so that we could take it with the food that we were having that day. So look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so creamy. It's so beautiful. It tastes even better. So I'm sure you've enjoyed this video. I'm sure you have said that you will go to try this in your home because probably you have some of avocados getting spoiled in your shelves and in your pantries. Please get them out. Get 2 tomatoes, get lime and some coriander or what you call Dhania. Please get them out and prepare yourself a guacamole. Keep it here in Rachel Faraja's kitchen for more delightful kitchen matters. I will be sharing with you beautiful recipes, and I tell you that it's just the beginning. So thank you so much